Part 3, determining an equation from the points on a circle. Find the equation in standard form of a circle such that the endpoints of a diameter of the circle are 1/2 -2 and -3/2 3. I'm going to draw a really rough sketch so I can kind of see what's going on here. Now my sketch is not going to be great, but it'll give me an opportunity to visualize what I'm looking for. So I have the endpoints of a diameter, 1/2 -2 and -3/2 3. So this is the diameter of the circle. So the center of the circle will be halfway between the two endpoints of the diameter. So to find the center of that circle, I need to find the halfway point of those 2 points. So to do that, I find the midpoint, which means take the average of the x values. So 1/2 plus -3/2 over 2. And then the average of the y values, -2 plus 3 over 2. 1/2 plus -3/2 is -1. So I have -1 over 2. -2 plus 3 is 1. So the center of my circle is the point -1/2, 1/2. Now I need to find the radius. So to find the radius, I can look at my graph again. If I find the radius, it would be half of the diameter. So to find the diameter, I can use the distance formula or the Pythagorean theorem. The distance formula just comes right from the Pythagorean theorem. If I draw a right triangle here, for the y values, I went from -2 to 3, which is a distance of 5. So that side of the triangle is 5. The x values went from -3/2 to 1/2. The difference between those two is 2. And then this side of the triangle would be the diameter. This would be the same thing as using the distance formula. The distance formula would be the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, which is the same thing as using the Pythagorean theorem. So the Pythagorean theorem, if I do 5 squared plus 2 squared equals that diameter squared. 25 plus 4, or 29, is the diameter squared. So the diameter is the square root of 29. Now the radius is half of the diameter. So the radius is the square root of 29 over 2. So I know the center and the radius. So I have x minus a -1/2, or x plus 1/2 squared, plus y minus 1/2 squared equals the radius squared. I'm going to write this as x plus 1/2 squared plus y minus 1/2 squared equals square root of 29 squared is 29, and square root of 2 squared is 4. So this is the equation for our circle.